Okay, so the first question you're probably wondering is, what does a water temperature sensor look like, or a coolant temperature sensor look like? It looks like this. So this is what we're replacing. And second question is probably, where is it? Well, it is right here. You can see it, maybe. Right there, you can see it. And you can see I've already replaced the pigtails, which is the wiring. So you can see that's all new wiring and everything on that. So that's why I know it's not the wiring. I also know it's not the thermostat over there, because I can push this and I can see water going through the engine and out the outlet over there and into the reservoir. So I know that that's not stuck open. I also know because I just did it. So anyway, your move is going to be to get your new one, right? First thing's going to be prep. So what I do is I like to throw a little bit of electrical tape over it, the connectors. This way we can kind of move fast and just get what we need to get done and get on with it. Also going to need sockets. So, and what I use the tape for, you might be asking, is I'm not going to drain the water or the coolant out of my truck because it just takes too long and I'm lazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to protect the electrical right here. I'm going to go over top of it, over top of the leads here, right after I throw it. That's nice. Just rip some of this tape first. It's that strong tape. Anyway, go ahead, wrap that. Sorry, smack you on the face. Like that. And I just want to be safe because I don't want those leads to get antifreeze on them. And when I pull that old one out, antifreeze is going to come out. So I'm going to have this ready and all good. So wrap that, get it all on there. So there you go. It's now protecting your wiring, or where the wiring, the pigtail and the wiring is going to connect in there. And you got your new one ready. So next, you're going to grab your long socket so you can stick it in your long socket. Find the right one. And of course, it's going to be a 20. So I'm going to go grab the right one, and I'll be right back. All right. So we got our socket now. It's going to be a 19. And then we're going to have to take the pigtail off. So I'll show you what I'm doing here. So this will go inside here. All right. And then, so let's grab us a flat blade, pull off this pigtail. There we go. Good old flat blade. Here. There you go. Get that out of the way. You can see I tucked the pigtail over here. Kind of get that out of the way, so it doesn't get any fluid on it either when I do this. So, let me see. I think I might get a tripod to put this on. So pigtail's off. Everything's ready to go. And do this quick. Have this one ready right here. So it's a quick move. That's good. I'm going to undo the rest with my fingers. When I take this off, it's going to probably be some pretty warm water. It's probably going to be quick. So I'm going to be quick. All right, here we go. And that's what I mean by quick. All right. Now, put that over. Maybe, there we go. Here it is, quarter turn, snug, good. Now I'm gonna grab some paper towels and wipe it off. All right, some shop rags here and wipe it off. Use a little bit of brake cleaner to spray off some of this stuff here. So I don't have radiator fluid all over it. Gotta clean it up here. That off one more time here. Pull that tape off. If you can find the spot, I won't make y'all suffer through watching me find it. If you look right over here, I'll zoom in for you. That temperature gauge is moving up. So there you go. That's what it was. It was the water temperature sensor. If I put it in drive and it doesn't say that I've got any issues, we're good to go. My driver door's open, my hood's open. Those are my two issues. Anyways, guys, so that was the water temperature sensor. So my first guess was the best guess. It's kind of obvious to me, but it is annoying because I just did that. And here's the problem. I ordered an AC Delco off of Amazon. You got to be careful because there's a lot of fake AC Delco parts out there. And I'm going to guess that that was a fake AC Delco, because I replaced that maybe 3 months ago and I adjusted the pigtails to it right after that. So that's actually not even an AC Delco. I went and grabbed a standard from O'Reilly's so I can get this done and get on the road, because like I said, I got money to make, not time to take. So anyway, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you get it done real quick. I'll talk to y'all later. I know that was a quick and kind of crazy video. I didn't really take my time showing it because I'm trying to get it done. But if you like, you know, DIY things and working on vehicles, working on all kinds of stuff, fixing things, if you enjoy watching that kind of stuff, go ahead and follow me. Subscribe to my channels. Hey, you're gonna see this kind of stuff. I do it all the time. And so if you like it, hit that follow button and check it out. Other than that, JuJu out.